Hey guys, it's Steve from Eat with Steve. I just want to take a minute to tell you a little bit about myself because I have been getting amazing feedback from people who are watching my videos about eating good and feeling good. And I want you to know I am a real person and I love making people feel good. I have been in the restaurant business for many years. In 1998, I opened the Pump Energy Food in New York City, the first physical fitness restaurant of its kind. We did not use fried food, butter, soda, white bread, mayonnaise, or bacon. We made the food with TLC, time, love, and care. The food was delicious. From one restaurant, we grew to 5, and we served many nice people. They just wanted to feel good. We served celebrities and athletes like Serena Williams, Howard Stern, Brooke Shields, David Matthews. My gift and talent is to make food that tastes good and is good for you. Later, I sold the pump to a big restaurant chain. For the past 5 years, I have been cooking for my YouTube channel, Eat with Steve. And now we have over 200,000 subscribers. I'm so thankful for that. For my recipes, I don't use white flour, sugar, or butter. I cook with olive oil, coconut oil, and avocado oil. For my desserts, the flours I like to use are almond flour, oats, or tapioca flour. For sweetener, I like to use maple syrup because it's natural and it's easy for your body to digest. I eat my food 5 to 6 days a week. And when I go out, I can eat whatever I want. But I always eat quality, not quantity. It's important to eat slow. I'm 62 years old and I am in good shape. I play pickleball, lift weights, and stretch every 2 hours. I'm thankful. I don't take any medicine. No diabetes, no high blood pressure, no cholesterol. I just want to show people that eating better does not have to be boring. You can make food that's simple, tastes amazing, and keeps you strong and happy. That's what Eat with Steve is all about. Real food, real life, and feeling your best every day. Thanks for supporting me, for watching my videos, and letting me be a part of your journey to eat better and feel better. Subscribe, like, and share.